8:30 they're closed.
Yeah, right, 8:30.
Huh?
Yeah. Be tight.
And it's slow down
You can't listen
driving.
to somebody who's wrong all the time. Savoir-faire is everywhere. You don't know that because...
Ay, pag hinambog lagi ba? Pag mga matay tasimba ko, ay nako. Lumilipad guys, lumilipad ng gahi ko. Gumagahi talaga ako. Nanigas yung katawan ko guys, nanigas.
Good morning, Philippines!
We are home. We got pizza guys. Pizza. We got pizza kasi. Hey! Ay, Jesus Christ. You're not helping me find. Yeah, no, he's not helping me guys. He just said that he for horses. I don't know what is that he for horses. No clue. He for horses. Then you guys, Trader Joe's, and I got something here. Look, this is my favorite from Trader Joe's, guys. You should get this, guys. Sour cream and onion corn puffs. What is that?
Rice.
Ay, nako, tell me.
Rice.
Is it a puff?
Rice.
Rice? Mmm. It's still very sweet. Good. Huh? I can't have it. I'll put some in the Ziploc bag with this, and we'll eat it while we're traveling to a nursing home. If you can help me.
God.
Seriously, hon?
I got the little bag. Why don't you use the big bag?
Ah, where is the little bag?
I'll hold the little bag.
Oh. It's so good, guys. Agua. The dog are kind of like tired. Said Mama and Dada is leaving the whole day, and now they come back, they feed us, and they're gonna leave again. Yeah, we're going to our house, guys, to feed the cats, to put ear. Yeah. So my gulong.
You got everything you want to take?
Yeah, this one, and then I'm coming home tomorrow. Hi guys.
I want to get a couple burgers for the road, huh?
If you want to, hon, go ahead. That's all up to you. There is Burger King up on the way there.
Yeah, that's way hell up there.
Huh?
That's way when we get up there.
I mean, burger too close to the Asian store.
Oh yeah, no, that was Tuesday.
Okay. No, I mean your battery.
I said it was half. I charged it the other day. It was more than half. It was like 3/4. But I figured, you know what? Charge it anyway. Oh look, the blue chapstick that you use.
That's for the car.
You leave one in the car, it get melty and.
It's already melty.
Yeah,
that's from last year. It's been there.
So stopping at the Asian store, you're not going to use this guy doesn't signal. He just sits there. Dickwit.
Well, people doesn't know where he's going. When you're going home, you go there. Where are you going? I don't know. That's the thing. I don't know how to go to.
Okay, if you're going to what?
Over there.
What?
I go straight.
Which is what?
The Hajj.
Okay, if you're going to the Asian store, which way do you go?
The same place.
Okay, so then we're going to the Hajj.
What? But you turn before you keep going to the Hajj. Turn to the right.
Everything is over here, not over there.
I know, but is it take time here? I know what to get to Asian store.
Oh, you want Burger King? Large fries?
No.
Large fries. I know you want fries. The regular double cheeseburgers, they're easier to eat in the car than a Whopper.
It's already 7:45, and the Asian store closed at 8:30, and Tommy still wants his Burger King. I don't know if we're gonna be there. Look at it, he is walking like a baby. He is my baby. I locked the door. Sorry, I locked the door. You wanna eat this now? Huh? The fries.
For the ride.
The fries? You want fries for now?
Yeah.
Fries for now. because you're driving. Later on, you can eat the whole thing when I'm driving. You think we're gonna get there at the right time?
What's the right time?
Ala, so hold on. 8:30, they're closed.
Yeah, right, 8:30.
Huh?
Yeah. It'll be tight. Two things of nuggets.
You want nuggets yet? Let this guy go. What happened? What do you think of my voice? It's ridiculous.
Just that way from the throat.
Huh? It'd get worse if you keep coughing, right? Tommy, guys, that's gonna listen to me.
That's because Tommy knows better, guys.
And it's slow down
You can't
driving.
listen to somebody who's wrong all the time. Then that would make you wrong all the time.
I told him we're not going to Asian store because we don't have time. They're closest at 8:30 and almost 8 o'clock on the
That's
traffic.
what you've been bugging me for the last hour to go to the Asian store.
Because I thought we're leaving early, and then you stopped to Burger King. That freaking Burger King really ruins everything.
What was that, about 2 minutes? Are you freaking kidding?
No, you've been there 30 minutes.
30 minutes, my ass. Keep dreaming. Savoir-faire is everywhere. You don't know that because there's an old cartoon before you were born.
Yeah, because you are really young, and I'm really old. Stop!
Savoir-faire is everywhere.
What the fuck are you doing? You don't.
Guys, here's a hint. If you marry a Filipino who doesn't have a driver's license, don't talk her into getting one. Because then she'll become this. You're driving too fast. You're driving too slow. You don't know how to drive. I've been driving for 3 days already. I know better how to drive than you do.
3 days. Are you serious? 3 days.
Well, you were doing it since you've been driving for 3 days.
Because I know what's what.
Yeah.
Even I have a permit, I know what it is.
Ask her if she drives in Manhattan or the Bronx or any of the 5 boroughs, Queens.
I'm not going over there.
Why?
What's the reason I'm going over there?
You're a good driver. Why would you be afraid to drive?
What's the point of having a train? We have a
Oh,
train.
what's the point of having a train? Huh?
There is a train. And don't go like hambugero. Hambugero naman kan? Ay, pag hinambog lagi ba? Pag mga matay ta simbako, ay nako.
Nakurak, nakurak, nakurak.
I make sure that I drive going home. Na lang tayo guys kasi nag-away kami ni Tommy. Oy, patungo dito kasi nano siya ba, pabalik-balik sa daan, pumunta sa ano, sabi ko sa kanya wag kang pumunta doon, pero doon siya pumunta, and yun ang nangyari. Nagbalik-balik kami sa daan. So ngayon 10 o'clock na, wala pa kami, hindi pa kami nakapunta sa bahay. Nag-stop na naman siya sa ano, sa ShopRite. Nag-ano kami, naglalis ba kung sa Bisaya pa, nag-argue samtang nag-drive kasi okay, pumunta siya, sabi ko wag kang pumunta doon kasi tolls yan, 6 ang tolls ano natin dito, walang tolls. Pumunta talaga siya doon at bumalik na naman siya, so bumalik kami, so natagalan. Ngayon pumunta kami sa daan nga, doon kami sa daan na kung saan patungo yung sister na, doon dadaan yung sister niya, and yung daan na yun is masikip, 2 lang yung lane, sobrang sikip. So ano na naman siya, yung pagdadrive niya overtake siya, at saka hindi lang siya masikip, curvy kasi pa mountain, di ba, curvy, and lumilipad guys, lumilipad ng gahi ko, gumagahi talaga ako, nanigas yung katawan ko guys, nanigas, ay grabe, nagyaw-yaw na po ko kay hindi man na siya ganahan og kanang hindi man niya gusto yung mga pag mga driver mga slow mo. So naano na siya. Doon kami naglalis na naman. Makalagot ba kanang sobrang scary ba, walang pakialam kung ano maya. Sabi ko kung gusto mo matay ikaw ra. Sabi ko kung gusto kang magpakamatay ikaw lang ha, wag mo akong isama. Lilipad ka, i-ano mo ako, ibaba mo ako. Kapag nag-ano ka na ba, kapag galit ka na ba, masasabi mo talaga yung ano, yung mga dapat hindi sabihin. Galit na galit ako guys. Hindi lang ito joke guys, lumilipad talaga siya guys. It's hard for him to maneuver na kasi curvy, kung straight siya, babangga kami sa railing. As I told you, sobrang tight yung daan. So, nahirapan siya sa pag-ano, kay pag-ano, grabe talaga. At saka, ay sus nako, lumilipad guys. Doon ako na ano, galit na galit talaga ako doon. Ngayon, pumunta siya doon. Wala kaming tingganay. Hindi kami nag-usap. Kasi, nag-ano na, tahol na ako. Siya din, tahol ng tahol. At tinahulay kaming dalawa. Anyway guys, I'm going home and then, we're gonna feed the cat and then we're going home. I'm going to drive. And then after that, little boy, come to mama, boy. Come to mama. I just know. Come here. Look at this, guys. He's happy. Oh, Dada will give you something, huh? I love you. I love you, little man. Where's your sister? Dimples. Dimple alert. Hi, Dimple. Come here, Dimple. Dimple. Baby. Look, somebody's coming, guys. Come here, bug. Come here, bug. Hi, Dimple. How are you? You're hungry? No more food for my babies. Dada is doing something. Come here, little man. Come here to mama. Pakainin muna namin ito sila. Maglinis muna ako sa baba. Sa CR ng pusa. And, yun. I will see you guys in my next. I will see you na guys na lang later. Okay guys, we are going home. Heading to other areas. Kasi si Roxy and Misty nagka-skanky. This is skank. Skank dog. So now we're going home and cleaning the dog instead of going to bed.
I don't know what you did, but you reprogrammed it. Now it's not programmed for this TV anymore.
I don't press the anything. Tell your kids. Okay guys, I will see you later. Bye guys.